Hello and welcome to another video of the Rolling Bros. Today we're gonna do something totally different, and it's Wreckfest, but it's couch racing.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
All right, let's get right into it.
This is what it looks like, guys. It's pretty stupid looking.
All right, let's get into it. Damn, already some. This game is known for like major action.
If you guys don't know.
Oh, he just narrowly missed him.
It's really hard to hit some people sometimes.
He's like, dude, you're like missing all of them.
I know. It's hard. This thing is so hard because everybody like dodges, and also this happens.
Here he starts spinning.
Oh.
And there he goes.
Bye. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stupid. Yeah. T-bone.
More like deboned.
There. Oh.
Died.
Yeah. Oh. Come on, somebody. Come on.
So we got this game last week, I think, and I finally got a PS4. It was given to me by my dad for my birthday. It's in good shape, so we're gonna start getting some more PS4 games.
We actually have a lot already.
And probably in the next couple weeks or so, I'm gonna start uploading some Gran Turismo Sport videos. So obviously, this is a weird but fun type of mode. It's funny as hell when you're actually playing the actual game.
Brother ago, I was laughing my butt off. It was his first time.
Oh, and there he goes.
Oh, right. Oh,
Damn.
man, that was hard.
Let's talk about being obliterated.
Legit.
Reset it.
Yep. Think about sofas, they get stuck.
Flicking them back up like a fucking retard.
Look at my dude. Ah!
He's already spinning already.
Look at the people clapping in the background. Aw. I'm coming. Oh, T-bone.
His health is at an 87 right now. Damn. Come on, get blood back over. Oh shit. It looks like he's humping. Oh god. Oh.
Jeez. Dumb. And you're dumb. Wait, come on.
It looks like he's mowing the lawn.
They sound like lawnmowers.
I know.
Come on. Stop. Let me reset.
So I'm not sure what this place is. This is Demolition.
Yeah, it's Demolition. Goodbye. Have a good time.
This is just the regular grass one, isn't it?
Yeah.
The one with all the grass. Oh man, look at all that action down there. And there he goes again.
Oh, goodbye.
So, a big shout out to Ed Soundhead Entertainment, because we actually found this game watching his videos.
Like 2 years ago.
And if it wasn't for him, we probably still wouldn't know what Wreckfest is.
Yeah.
So.
Shout out to him and make him get more subscribers.
Also make us get some more subscribers too. Whoa! God.
That's my sofa flipped over. Bye!
He's at 80 health.
That's actually not bad.
So far.
We're like 5 minutes, I think.
Yep.
And like, we still have a lot of health.
How would you like to drive my motorcycle tonight?
Back up.
I mean, those people in the crowd must really be enjoying couch racing, you know?
Is that
I mean, it's well, you know what I meant. Demolition Derby. You should probably do a banger race too sometime with these.
I'm fine to do that tonight.
Yeah, but we can't upload it.
Yeah, we're going to upload this on Monday.
That guy's already dead.
Come on.
Look at his head bobbing up and down.
There.
Oh, here we go. Hey, I just won a NASCAR race, man. Yeah.
Jesus.
And into the air he goes. That guy's already dead. Last time that he did this, he was like in what? 21st?
I was dead last.
Yeah.
Because I got killed. I was actually the first one that actually fully died. Bye.
Damn.
Have a good time.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Whoa.
These legit sound like lawnmowers or dirt bikes.
No, not even close to dirt bikes. Maybe actually.
Oh!
Oh!
You still got 75 health though.
Jeez, I don't know. It's not good.
Here we go.
Oh, I got a crush.
Just imagine driving and smashing into other people
Real life.
with fucking couches. Uh-oh, Caesar.
Come on.
He can't get it turned back around. He turned it back around. Here he comes. Uh-oh. Oh, goodbye. Great. Now I sound like my dad when he's playing MLB 2019. He's like, goodbye every time. Every time he hits a home run, he's like,
That guy's like, okay,
he was like, goodbye.
Oh, he got hurt. Come on. Tied anyway.
You're at a 70.
Come on. What?
He hit the wall. Goodbye.
I'm already dead. Come on. Oh,
Man.
he's all messed up.
You done messed up, boy.
But
There goes somebody.
Somebody.
come on.
There we go. Oh, man.
That one's actually done.
All right, dude, you're at 57 now. Let's see if you can get ass packed by somebody.
Like this dude? Oh.
Well, I mean, I don't think that qualified for an ass packing.
Come on.
He's stuck up against the wall.
Backing up. Backing up.
Don't hit him. Don't hit him. All right, you're still at a 57. Let's see. We only have 13 minutes to record.
How much time? left.
3 minutes left. So if let's see what happens here. Oh, he saved it. Couch racing actually looks kind of fun, but it would probably hurt. Oh,
yeah,
shit.
Like that? Like that. That would
All
hurt.
bones broken.
Oh, goodbye. Aw.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, damn it.
Oh, okay then.
Too fast.
Oh, shit.
Gone.
Hit a wall or something.
See what
Because
happens.
we're almost out of time already.
Look.
What the fuck?
Alright.
Oh.
Oh. Damn.
Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O.
Bye, Debo.
His name's not Debo.
Come on.
We just reset. You're at a 41. Hit the wall again. Maybe it'll completely kill you.
Oh.
So all you couch potatoes out there, if you don't have Wreckfest yet, you gotta get this game. It is lit.
Are you stupid? Get it.
Okay, you're at a 39 with 1 minute left. Floor it.
Okay, floor it. No. No.
Floor it.
No.
Oh.
Look out. He's coming to get you.
Dumb ass.
Hit the wall. Video's almost over already. Damn, that took away half of it. Quick, you might have to do it again. Because it's taking forever for these guys to actually die. One more hit to the wall and that should probably do it. Just floor it head on. Goodbye. 1. Try to hit somebody really quick. Can it be? Oh, come on. Just hit the wall. We got like 10 seconds left.
Yeah.
There it is. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on Wreckfest.